Hello, my name is David Neville. I'm one of the co-founders and CEO at Nurture, and I'm going to give a brief outline of the innovator program that Nurture are running with AISWA for the coming academic year in 2026. So, a little brief background to who we are. Nurture is a formative assessment and feedback solution supporting both how technology can enable more faster, efficient, and effective feedback in the classroom while supporting it through a comprehensive professional learning strategy as well. As a quick outline of what the innovator program that we're running with AISWA involves, to start, the program has a limit of 10 schools. I believe we are past the halfway mark in terms of schools who've committed already, which is really exciting. And just in terms of what the schools can hope to achieve as part of this program. So, a couple of things that we look at here in terms of what are priorities to your school that would make this program a really good fit for your school. So, if you think of these three areas from a pedagogical perspective, is formative assessment and feedback high in the agenda for your school for the coming academic year? Is it an area for improvement? Is it something that you want to work on within your school to help student outcomes? That would be a good start. From a professional learning perspective, or work with Professor Dylan William, which I'll touch on in a moment, can feed into your professional learning strategy. And when it comes to the use of technology and AI, are there practices within the school and the use of Microsoft Teams that may mean that from a digital perspective, this fits within your plans for 2026? How the program, from a program objective perspective, the kind of two key areas that we're supporting schools here is to strengthen the capability of teachers to use formative assessment and feedback practices, which move the learning forward from a student's perspective, both efficiently and effectively. And of course, the knock-on effect then is how it enhances student outcomes through continuous formative assessment, being able to get more regular personalized feedback. And then a key part is how the students reflect on that feedback in order to move the learning forward. And the last piece to wrap it together, we have quite a comprehensive professional learning plan laid out for all schools as part of this innovator program. We're really excited that Dylan Williams is playing a key part in this, and we're working with him as part of that approach that aligns with some of the practices that AISWA do on the areas of formative assessment and feedback as well. Thanks for listening, and we hope to see you involved for next year in 2026.